Woohoo! Two S500 zippy compacts inside my UMX Timber. Little flaps. Whee! I am on the floats. Alright, go into stabilized flight. Full flaps. Bring it right by the camera. Rudder turn. Coordinate a turn, drop the power, float it right in. Flaps up, full manual, and we get a little aerobatic. I think my rates are set higher. So, for anybody questioning, yes, the UMX Timber will fly just fine with a 2S500 shoved in there. That is fantastic news based on the price of those batteries. I'll link the cable I bought off eBay that connects to the UMX port to balance all my batteries. I'll work on the CG a little tiny bit, but I can't help but think those floats don't help me or hinder me. Lots of power. Lots of power. Plenty of power. Alright, high rates, flaps down.
3.
Again, one of my favorite planes, surprise planes from 2017. Hey, it's Andre, and this is the E-Flite UMX Timber, and guess what? That thing will fly on a 2S500. Those are my zippy compacts. I have a little UMX to balance tab adapter, and it flew. And so I'm going to start flying it more and more. I will play with the CG. I know probably the floats are impacting the handling just a tiny bit, but otherwise it flew, which is a fantastic thing to know because those little 260 batteries or 280 batteries are really expensive, on par with the 2S500s. Weight penalty is minimal, and the runtime obviously is extended. I'm Andre, that's the UMX Timber. 2017 Plane of the Year by RC After Hours. Yeah! Let's go flying. Woo! I helped put the damn flaps up, huh? full flaps assisted flight. It's hilarious because you can just glide the thing in.